Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today, overall, a very, very solid day, and mainly because when you factor in the context of Tuesday afternoon, context being a whole lot of downwards pressure, things looking very, very shaky, to have the price recover nicely, a good sign. Now, did the price recover and then explode upwards? No, it recovered and then it just basically been chopping sideways, chopping sideways, chopping sideways. But, chopping sideways compared to having this just continue to drop further and further downwards is a nice sign of power in and of itself. So yeah, there's still more work that needs to be done, as I'll explain here in a second. But just, from more so a broad context, given, the downwards pressure going into the day, nice recovery, and good to see that it just chopped around and went sideways. But like I said, there is still more, work to be done. So what I mean by quote unquote work to be done, because I get it, those are just words, but that's why I love charts, is they allow you to take words and phrases and then make them very visual and, assign numerical values to them. And the numerical value here is just 2250. I've talked about that in several past videos, but that is the part where the work still needs to be done. Meaning, yeah, it needs to work its way up there, but it's still got to then be able to break up through that level and build some momentum. And that seems to be well within striking distance. Now, just because something's within striking distance doesn't mean it's for sure going to happen, but it's at least a rational thought to be having. So definitely continue to watch 2250 moving forward. Whereas, before today happened, when the chart was looking like this, yeah, 2250 really didn't make that much more sense because, it was more so a matter of, are these levels of support going to hold up? But now that the price has recovered so nicely, it's all about 2250 once again. Continue to watch these areas of support. They're just not as relevant as they were yesterday, but 2075 and then right around 2020 are going to be those two main levels. But as of now, it's really all about, can the price get that break of 2250? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.